Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Sorry for not posting that often. It's just that home is being kind of struggling. I'm not gonna tell you what happened today, so yeah, it's gonna be pretty long. So the reason why I'm in Play Store, the reason why I'm not posting often is because I don't know what video to make. And I deleted the Roblox by the way because like it's full of branded games and yeah, and there's not enough here. And this why like Roblox is losing a lot of players today because it's full of brainer games and yeah. So yeah. But I'm not gonna post Polydash Roblox Polydash content anymore because yeah, it's starting to get boring and yeah. Oh yeah, and the reason why I'm in Play Store right now is because oh hell no, hell no, hell no, we know you guys did not saw that games are made in South Africa. Of course I'm living in South Africa. Yeah, Geometry Dash Water by the way. I put my Wi-Fi off while I record this video because like so I don't get lag, but like so today we are gonna be doing well thank God that Geometry Dash popped up on my page. No, I started to record this, but yeah, today we're gonna be re- today we're gonna be seeing Robtop no GD game. Today we are gonna be seeing reviewing GD reviews. Yes. So wait, let me just search up Rob Top. Yeah, Robtop games. Yeah, I'm not sure. So I am gonna click on this and then I'm gonna click on Robtop games. So as you can see here, yes. So the first one I'm gonna see this one. So as you can see, this is 4.5 stars and 6 million reviews. Yes, and this 169. But when you press install, it's like actually 170. When you try to download World, it's like 144 or 145. I don't know. Yeah, it's complicated. Yeah, basically World is the same like lit, but it only has 10 levels. So yeah, it makes it's way too fun. So yeah. Oh yeah. Also, I don't have an account on GD World because do not know how to make an account here. Basically. And basically enough, I already touched grass, bro. And like, I got like 1,000 mana orbs already, so yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is a kind of cool game, but like, there's way too many ads. Bro, you just play the Nemo one level in peace until you missed one jump and then kaboom. You just dying with one ad. Then you just have to wait until the ad's over and click the X button and then just start over from a little game for a stupid thing. Okay, but actually let's stop talking and let's see this views. I have almost nothing bad to say about it. Fun, offline, challenging to an extent, and easy to learn and get the hang of. I wish I could create an account to save my progress whenever I switch devices. It also gets boring after a while. Yeah. I think also GD Let is also kind of boring because like I think for me I think GD Meltdown or End World is also for me, but I don't use Sub Zero because I only like one level. I hate Knockem and I hate Power Trip because like it's like it's a harder level and it's a hard level. Yeah, I don't like. I hate the wave gameplay. I literally hate the gameplay. Yeah, but this was last year 2024, so yeah. Say my it was not great for long car rides, but okay for shorter ones. When the music gets annoying since it goes on repeat if you continue to fail. Pretty good though. Wow, 18,000 people found this video. Yes, I agree. I also gone through that. I've been playing this game for 5 years since COVID. Oh damn, bro, I wasn't. Oh yeah, I forgot I was 4 that time. Wait, I wonder what. Yeah, I think I was like 6. No, I wasn't 6 that time. I was 5. This game like trying to like make a meme or something. So yeah, like the 6-7 meme is kind of starting to get old and boring. So yeah, it definitely brings nostalgic, but this lit version just full of annoyance. Yeah, to be honest, bro, I kinda agree with you because it does have annoying ads, bro. I literally have to switch on my, put on my wire, switch it on, put it off, switch it off, switch it on, put it off, switch it on, and put it off, and no. Bro, I hate the annoying ads. Bro, like you only can like, get in GD World you can only whenever you like die 2 times when you press the pause button um you go back to main menu and then you just get one ad, bro. That's one of the annoyingest things, bro. I can't even beat the Suez level. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the online level, so yeah. And when I put my Wi-Fi off, yeah, well, I still got ads for absolutely no reason, and I don't know why. Because I got thought of no way for no reason. I didn't know that. But never mind. I didn't get the Howie phone, guys. I didn't get the Howie. Yeah. Whenever I won or lose level, the edges pop out randomly and kinda annoying. But now I finally playing the full. Okay, good job. Bro actually saved the money just to play the full Geometry Dash this year. Hopefully, please remove those. Yes, up top, can you just please remove the ads from GD Red and GD Sub Zero and also GD Melt and also GD War. Yeah, when you just go back to main menu and then you just get one ad. Bro, that's the worst pin ever, bro. Okay, and I also found this YouTube. Okay. An amazing game. 5 stars. One problem. Yeah, it's just yeah. I'm not gonna even really explain this, bro. Like yeah, I'm not gonna read the whole thing, bro. Cause like it's full of ads and so ass, bro. Killing. Okay, the normal geometry dash, yes, of course. Now this is like 75.99 rand. Bro, how the hell do you expect me to? Oh, bro, I only have like a 10 cent and like 10 rand left in my wallet, bro. I'm still trying to save up for like iPhone. Okay, okay, guys, I am trying to like save an iPhone for Christmas. My grandma doesn't give me a phone, but she did promise me, but I don't know when she is. But I'm just gonna see it. But I'm still gonna save it for Christmas. But so yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna get the 14, 15, or 16 because like iOS 27 is kind of laggy and the 15 Pro does overheat, so I'm definitely gonna get the 16 Pro because it's kind of good. But the 16 Pro has iOS 15, so I think it should be good. But I wanna upgrade to iOS 26 or 27. Yeah, but iOS 27 can be kinda laggy. But I'm not gonna get it anyways. 4.8. Yeah, I actually want the 4 Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash is honestly an amazing game. The simple idea and yet somehow making it awesome, super cool. The only problem is when you get an account and forget to save it. Delete the game, log back in, and all of your progress gone. This has happened so many times to me. Already over and over. Bro, guess how much money you have to spend that thing? Wait, no, wait, no. Now let me ask, wait, let me ask Meta AI. Yeah, don't ask me why, yeah, I learned French, yeah, cause one day when I'm like 18 or 19, I'm gonna move to Paris, bro. Yo, what is, what is 75, 75 plus 75. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, sometimes I'm kind of good at math, but I'm not that good. Stop. 70. No. What the fuck? Bro, I ain't doing geometry dash score calculations. Bro, are you freaking dumb? I don't know what's up with Meta AI today. But whatever. Yeah, so... Where was I? I was at Play Store again. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna explain this one because I'm like Geometry Dash is a good game, but I don't like the lit one. But I used to have the full version on my other one, like back in February. I don't know if I had lit with full version, but like I can't remember. Like back in 2005, like Geometry Dash used to be back in early 2025. It used to be like early free. Like I got like very early, so yeah. I didn't know anything about Geometry Dash, but I just used one finger, then I just rage quit. I didn't know how to play it, so yeah, I use two fingers now. Yeah. Sometimes I kind of use one finger when I use practice mode in GD World, and yeah. So this is GD's. Wait. So Geometry Dash came out in 2013. Wait, I'm gonna go to the. Don't worry, Sub-Zero. I'll come to you after when we're done with some other levels. Alright? Okay, so I'm not gonna edit this video because my phone is by 23. I got a long time to edit. So yeah, we're gonna go because like this game came out December 19th. I think sometimes I think it was like but this 110 megabytes. I'm trying to plan to get this game, but actually I actually I don't wanna get too much ads, bro. But I mean, this game is kind of fine, but like you don't get like a lot of ads. Just like GD World, like the best GD games out there is not Geometry Dash Lit, not Geometry Dash, and It is Meltdown, World, and Sub-Zero. Yeah, that's one of my best ones. But for yeah, but I just hate the wave gameplay. That's just a problem. Yeah, I hate the wave gameplay. I'm not good at it. But yeah, hopefully I will get used to it. Yeah, some I'm not used to the ball gameplay or the spider gameplay because like, the ball is very hard, and I hate Sub Zero because I like press start because like it's very easy. And let's stop talking. This game is only 110 megabytes. I mean not gigabytes. This got like 4.6 stars. Okay, that's nice. And 1 million. Okay, this is an amazing parkour game. You can, bro. It's a jumper game. Okay. To be honest now, okay. Guess what I explained when I uploaded back on track and back on easy. Yeah, just go watch that video again. Yeah, it's in 2021, bro. Bro, I was still a little man. I was like 6. Yeah, I'm 11 years old. I'm just being honest right now. Yeah, even I was doing back on track and doing back on easy. Yeah, someone also. I'm 11. I am. I'm just being honest. Sometimes I would fake my age because I'm like way too scared. So yeah, but me from the future. Oh my gosh, I ain't gonna read this, bro. Reason why I'm giving this 5 stars is because can we play different boards which have different music. The board I love the most is 7. Wait, does it mean the level? Oh, this is 225. Yeah, buddy. I think this man commented um way earlier than when I was born. Yeah, I like Seven Seas. That level is kinda big, by the way. I like the ship gameplay because like very easy. Yeah, for some reason I've never played Sub Zero on screen before, but on camera I mean. But on off camera I actually don't play. I just play GD World. Yeah, yeah. um, the beat song is so catchy, but all this game is so much fun. So if you don't have Geometry Dash Meltdown or any other Geometry Dash games, you should try them. The songs are and the titles matched up. Yeah, this is why. Okay, guys, I mean like I never played Geometry Dash on camera before, but off camera like Geometry Dash Meltdown is like so peak. I mean like the levels are so fun and easy for me. But Sub Zero is the is the Ursus level for me. So I'm not gonna use CapCut because like yeah, CapCut because CapCut is so hungry for money right now. Yeah, like the KitKat is like a money bigger right now, so I'm just gonna be trying that this video is trying to be edited. So yeah, like I love Geometry Dash games, like except for one that is ugly and ass. Doo, doo, doo. Oh, correct. So well with each other. This game is so much fun. I play it sometimes when I get bored on the bus or in the car. And like, chat, do I even need to explain this to you? I mean, like, um, whenever you're on a bus, oh yeah, oh yeah, only in 2025, I take a bus, but like, I don't bring my phone with, so yeah, yeah, I have a, I have a itel City 100, so yeah, and it's, yeah, I'm using like a flagship. Like, yeah. Geometry Dash back. I downloaded this, still been playing, downloaded this for change of scenery and it's cool, great. Only, okay, bro. I suck at this game, BD. Bro, why would you say that? You will be. I don't know if I should download this later, but I don't know how to add do a poll or add images to a poll. Yeah. Oh yeah, and when I just ever look at a Rob Top game, yeah, like ads makes more. Yeah, whenever like Rob Top ads puts ads in the game, yeah, it does. Yeah, so ads makes more money just by Rob Top, and all of his games are owned by him, and yeah. And I love how RobTop makes his creative ideas out of these Geometry Dash games. Like it. I mean, like I respect that. Like you made your own design for Sub Zero. I mean, like personally, like I'll give 7 or 6 out of 10. 7, 6. Yeah, debate. I'm not sure. Yeah, but basically. Oh, I really wanted the. I really wanted this icon. I wanted Cube 71. Too bad I'm using like Cube 72. Oh yeah, I was. Oh yeah, when I posted the GD World video, I was playing I was using Cube 72 that time. So yeah. Yeah, there's only 3 levels, but it's kind of fun though. So yeah, I don't know if I should download this one. Yeah, whenever I just look at the RobTop Geometry Dash games, when I just look at RobTop's thumbnails and designs of the game of levels, just looks so fun, bro. Like, I mean, like, I'm not getting used to the cool gameplay, but at least the levels are still good and very creative. Very creative idea, RobTop. I'll give this like a solid 10 out of 10, but like, I'll give like 7, or I'll give like Sub Zero. I didn't even test Sub Zero yet, so let's try. Oh my gosh, that That is my real name, bro. That ain't my real name, bro. Yeah, yeah. Update 2.28. Update 2.26.8. Okay. Yeah, it does have update 2.2. So yeah, it has been updated January 30th, 2026. Okay, so I don't need to explain this, but 4.5 same as rated for 3 plus. So is this okay, guys? Tell me, is this good or not? Is this the best game ever? Like, it's great, it's fun, addictive. Yes, I just, bro, like, bro, of course, look at this thumbnail, bro. Like, bro, look at this icon, bro. It looks so funny and cool, by the way. Oh yeah, and by the way, this cube better watch out because, yeah, this monster's gonna eat him. I forgot, I don't know what's his name. And this is the Dashlands, the most annoying level of GD World is years, of course. I even rage baited this. Yeah, like I mean like payload and beast mode and mecha is alright, but I think mecha slowed up. Slowed version is kind of good. Like, bro, look at this thumbnail. Like, bro, this Rob Top has like 10,092. But like when Rob Top, only the OGs know this. Back in 2016, I was only 1 years old back in 2016, so I never knew Geometry Dash World. So yeah, so y'all remember the trailer when it came out, and then it was literally, yeah, and then Rob Top had like 13,300 and wait, 37 mana orbs. Like, I'm not joking. Like, bro, look how cool is this level, bro. Look at this thumbnail, bro. Oh, look at the cube. I kind of like the cube, by the way. But I am gonna get it. But I have 1,000 orbs, but I'm not gonna get it. I'm still gonna grind and get. I'm still gonna get icons just by Okay, I'm gonna see. Okay, I don't have enough to see the reviews, but today we're gonna be seeing. Okay, Rubtop, I don't know, but I should give this 6 out of 7 out of 10. So yeah, this is 112 megabytes. You can download it. So yeah, that's fine. I like these free games, but like Power Trip. Oh, and we see this icon again. Oh, buddy, this is very. Oh, buddy, you do not want to try to save this video. We have a drop top. I like press start, but like, and knock him, but like, I love teleportation thing, but I just hate the wave gameplay. Yeah, but it's way too hard. Yeah, but it's creative design with the drop top make, by the way. I really don't wanna get Sub-Zero, bro. I really don't wanna. But these thumbnails are like so good. Wait, what the hell? 8,000. 828. Oh my gosh. Like the others got a million, and this game is awesome, but something weird just happened today. Just today, I don't know what this man's saying. But something weird Okay, playing Power Trip when I was in the form of the arrow thingy, I think he meant the wave. Yeah, I also hate the wave gameplay. I was about to reach the point where the thingy turns back, and I kept holding. The thingy went straight ahead until. Okay, bro, can you stop bullying the wave, bro? I mean, like, come on, the wave can't be that hard, right? Okay, maybe. The wave can be hard, but like, I hate the wave gameplay too, so yeah. I can't even beat knock him out. But until I reach the end without encountering any other obstacle, if im- if possible, I'd send you guys a screenshot, show you. But it's still an amazing game. I love the music. Yes, I love the music. Yeah, I love how how Rob Top makes his own music in his Geometry Dash games. They're way too peak. And the colors, they are nice and bright. Yes. This game ain't addicting, bro. Bro, to be honest right now, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And to be honest right now, this is like literally. So, okay, yeah, by the first rating, by number 1, this is Geometry Dash Lit. Then by second place, this is Geometry Dash. Then by third place, we got Meltdown. And then fourth place, we got Whirl. No, Sub-Zero. And then by fifth, we got World. So, it's the top the best Geometry Dash game ever. So, yeah. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. This game is coated. I mean, like, it's very addictive. Yeah, as this dude kid, Kyle. I don't know. I don't know. Yes, it still does contain ads, but like, yeah, like whenever Raptor put ads in his game, it makes him more richer. So, yeah, tell me what you think about these Rob Top games, and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.